Hi, I'm Paul Battaglia, and this is section 9.2, Arithmetic Sequences and Partial Sums. Now we have a great cross-curricular opportunity here to motivate students, and I'm joined by Gabe and Brittany. Gabe, tell us a little bit about a motivator that you have.
Sure, so just to get students used to this idea of arithmetic sequences, I like to present them with a challenge.
Okay.
So you may have heard it referred to as a 52-week challenge,
Okay.
where it's a saving challenge. So
Correct.
the first week of a new year, you save $1. The second week, you save $2.
Okay.
The third week, you save $3. And all the way up
so forth.
to the 52nd week,
Okay.
right around Christmas, you want to save $52. That might be hard. I don't know. Some students like to tweak this and save $52 the first week of the year.
Okay.
They might have a little extra Christmas money
Sure.
floating around. So what I like to ask my students after I present them with this challenge is, well, at the end of a year, at the end of the year 52 weeks,
Right.
how much money are you going to have saved?
Right.
And I like to just give them a couple questions. Is it going to be more than $100, more
Very
than
good, yeah.
200, 500, 1,000, 10,000?
Right.
I mean, we're really just stretching here just to get students just thinking a little bit.
Right.
And from here, I sort of introduce this idea of an arithmetic sequence, and I tell them, well, by the end of this section, we'll actually be able to calculate how much money you're going to have at the end of your 52 weeks.
Awesome, great idea. So Brittany, let's suppose I'm that student, right? And the idea of summing up 52 numbers consecutively is a little daunting, right?
Yeah.
And maybe I'm in a situation where I don't think I could save for 52 weeks, right? How do we go about showing them maybe some smaller arithmetic sequences and getting them used to doing the things they can do with those?
So now that we have this 52-week challenge in their heads, we can explore the partial sum. So how about we only go 10 weeks? What
Okay.
would be the sum of that?
Right.
And we can also say, well, what would be the 12th week? What would we have?
Okay.
And just finding and actually delving into the common difference and everything.
Right,
and
right.
just, exploring all of this, just using that one example.
Right. And that's the thing. I mean, Gabe's given us such a good example here that we could run with that for the entire section. Because of where you said, Brittany, partial sums, we could even do things where we said in a previous section, you could change the lower limit and the upper limit. Maybe we only save from the 9th week to the 21st week or something like that. Maybe during summer, that's when they work. So we can do it then, I think we have such a good foundation to build on in this section for sure,
Yeah.
And then I think one of the things that you might want to consider doing with your students towards the end of the section is just getting them to think about how the arithmetic sequences don't necessarily have to increase all the time. The terms could decrease, but it's really, as Brittany said, it's really about finding that common difference and then finding some of those partial sums. I hope these tips have been helpful for you and you find much success in section 9.2.